Hey guys, you guys are going to be doing a drawing today on a sheet of paper to show us that you know how shadows and the sun are related. So here's a couple of different guidelines that you have here. So you can draw any item that you want that's school appropriate. So this person drew like a Christmas tree because we're in November and we're getting ready for Thanksgiving and Christmas. So they drew a Christmas tree. And um, you are going to draw three different suns. So they're at three different spots in the horizon. So on the right hand side is the east, and we know the sun rises in the east. Up above is around noon or lunchtime. And then we know on the west, so on the left hand side, the sun sets in the west. So if you'll notice, they have times labeled next to their sun. Your suns need to have the times labeled as well. So say we have this Christmas tree and we have the sun right here, the 5 a.m. sun. If you look, you're going to draw the shadow that goes with the 5 a.m. sun and you're going to label it on your picture. So here we have the Christmas tree. If the sun's over here on the right hand side on the east, which one of these matches the 5 a.m. sun? Look, it's labeled right here. It's this 5 a.m. shadow. So the shadow's going off to the left. If you'll notice, it travels in a straight line. So if the sun's here, the shadow needs to go on the left-hand side. Then at noon, the sun is straight up above, so the shadow is labeled right underneath and straight ahead, and it is labeled as well. So the 12 p.m. sun matches this 12 p.m. shadow. And then lastly, the sun sets in the west, so that's over here on the left-hand side, and they have a time labeled, so that's 5 p.m. So if the sun is over here on the west, which way is the shadow of this tree going? It would be going towards the right-hand side this way. So those are the three things that your drawing has to have. So you have to have some type of object, could be a tree, snowman, a person, an animal, whatever you want to be standing like on a horizon like this on the ground. And then you have to have three different suns with three different times of day with the times labeled. And then the three shadows need to match the three sun times that you listed up above. Okay, good luck. Once you are done with your picture, you're going to take a picture of it on your Chromebook and upload it to submit so we can see your photos. Take your time, make sure you use your time wisely, make it nice and neat, add color to make it nice and pretty, and then upload your picture that has your three suns and three shadows. Have fun. Bye.